solve a 2 by 2 Rubik's Cube. So let's first learn the basics of a 2 by 2 Rubik's Cube. So a normal 2 by 2 Rubik's Cube has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there are 8 corners. Corners which have 3 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They have 8 corners. Now each color has an opposite color. So yellow color has white color in opposite. Red color has orange color in opposite. Blue color has green color in opposite. Now let's learn the notations. When we rotate the right layer clockwise, it is R. And when we rotate the right layer counterclockwise, it is R prime. And when we rotate the right layer 2 times, no matter in which direction, either like this, it is R2. And when we rotate the left layer clockwise, it is L. When we rotate it counterclockwise, it is L prime. And when we rotate the left layer 2 times, it is L2. Now when we rotate the up layer clockwise, it is a U. And when we rotate the up layer counterclockwise, it's a U prime. U prime. And when we rotate the up layer 2 times, it is U2. And when we rotate the down layer, I show it to you down from the down view, it is a D. And when we rotate the down layer counterclockwise, it is a D prime. And when we rotate the down layer 2 times, it is a D2. When we rotate the front layer clockwise, it is F. This is F and this is F prime when we rotate the front layer counterclockwise. And when we rotate the front layer 2 times, it is F2. And when we rotate the back layer, I'll show it to you from the back view. When we rotate the back layer in clockwise direction, it is a B. And when we rotate the back layer in counterclockwise direction, it is a B prime. And when we rotate the back layer 2 times, it is a B2. B prime, B2. So we have learned the notation. Now to solve a 2 by 2 Rubik's Cube, you will need to memorize 2 algorithms and there are total 3 steps to solve it. First, we need to build a layer. Now what do I mean by layer? When I solve a face along with its correctly placed corners. So this is a layer. Now the next step is to solve its opposite face. There are 7 cases and we are going to use one algorithm to solve all of the cases. Now it's very important to remember to keep the solved layer at the bottom and face the front as suggested in the situation. This is the opposite color solved. In the third step, we are going to use the second algorithm for both the situations to solve this whole cube. Like this. Now let's scramble it. Okay. So here we have it scrambled. Now we'll start off by making the white color. Not only the color, we'll make the whole layer with correctly placed corners. So here, face one white corner and see its 2 colors. What is it? White and green. So let's see another white and green corner. Here it is, one white and green corner. Now we'll bring it in place, and remember, green should be there with green only, not with any color. It should not be there with any other color. And then let's see the other color. It's orange. Now let's see one white and orange corner. Here it is, we have one over here. So we put it down. So it's placed. Now only one corner is left. So we just need to place it correctly. And it's placed. So friends, sometimes you might get some wrongly placed corner while making the layer. So you just need to take it out and put it in its right place using the method I just showed you. So here it is. We are done with the layer. Now we are going to solve white's opposite color, which is yellow. So I'll show you all the situations. So the first situation is when you have kept the solved layer in the bottom and you have one opposite color. You have the yellow piece over here in the top right, and you have another yellow piece. This is our front face. This is front face and it's in top right. And when we have a yellow piece in the bottom left, in the top side, which is completely opposite, in opposite side, and then we have all in this face, which is not in the top, all the left, right, back and front, we have all the corners in top right. You might not have a corner in one of the face from where the corner which is in the top would look in the right bottom. So this algorithm is R U R prime U R U2 R prime, and you have the yellow layer solved. Only the face, not the layer. So another situation is that you have the same situation, but it's completely opposite. Now we have in the front, back, left and right part, we have the yellow color in the top left. See, we have 3 corners in the top left and one of them in the top left. All of them look in the top left from one side. So this is the situation that looks like this. And the last top left, which is over here, you would have one yellow color in the bottom. This is the same one which I showed in the top left. This time it's in bottom right. So face it over here where you don't have any head, where you don't have any white color, yellow color. It should be in bottom left then. Now do this algorithm. R U R prime U R U2 R prime. And then you have the previous situation, R U R prime U R U2 R prime. And you have this color solved. Another situation is when you have a line over here and one yellow color over here. It's far from it. And 2 of them are opposite to each other. Now the bar is over here, the colors are over here. So face the rightmost part which has yellow color and do R U R prime U R U2 R prime. And you again have the previous situation, R U R prime U R U2 R prime. So the next situation is when you have in the top you have two yellow colors, two yellow pieces which are looking opposite to each other, and you have colors over here, pieces over here. Now hold it, so you have one of the piece in the top left and one of the piece in the top which is like this in the right, bottom right, and do RU R prime U R to R prime, and you have one of those situations RU R prime U R to R prime, and then it gets solved. So the next situation is when you have two bars. One of the bar is in the top, which is in the front, and one is in the topmost part over here. So it looks like this. You need to face it like this. So you have the bar over here. But always you need to keep the white in the bottom, and RU R prime U RU to R prime is the main algorithm for each and every situation. So face it like this, RU R prime U RU to R prime, and then you have one of those situations RU R prime U RU to R prime. Yes. Now it's solved. So the next situation is when you have two bars, but this time they are opposite to each other. First we had them like this, but this time we have opposite. So face in between those two lines and do RU R prime U RU to R prime, and you have the first situation RU R prime U RU to R prime, and this will be solved. So the last situation is when you have a bar at the top and you have two opposite yellow pieces, and then face in between, so the bar is at the top and in left and right they are near to you, and do RU R prime U RU to R prime, and then you have one of those situations RU R prime U RU to R prime. Okay, so all these situations are done. So now we are going to finish this with just one algorithm. So for the first situation, you will get a face, which is the most common situation. You will get a face to be done. Now you need to keep the white side at the bottom, and you will have the face. You need to rotate it like this and do R prime F R prime B to R F prime R prime B to R2, and you have this solved. So another situation is when you get two opposite colors, like red's opposite color is orange, green's opposite color is blue, yellow's opposite color is white. So you will need to do the algorithm facing any side. R prime F R prime B to R F prime R prime B to R2, and after that you will get the previous situation. Face it like this, R prime F R prime B to R F prime R prime B to R2, and it will be solved. So that was it for today. Hope this tutorial was useful. For more such videos, click that subscribe button, give my video a thumbs up and share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye.